Now, if you're going to make this, it requires a little prep. 4 days prep.
Oh, 4 days.
Yes. Half of the raisins that you use, you want to give this speech? I can tell who you're married to. Half the raisins and half the booze. Half the rum that the recipe calls for, and half the raisins are marinated for 4 days. And what that does is the raisins soak up the alcohol, and so that when you're eating the ice cream, the raisins that have soaked up the alcohol give you a pop, and the rum explodes out of it. It's a kind of a cool thing, but you won't, just eat it and enjoy it. So I mistakenly only did enough for half a batch, which was stupid. Very bad. You put that white one away, right? Yeah, the one that we put away, which has less in it.
Golden raisins are not regular raisins. There's a flavor profile like
The dark raisins look like ants.
Because they span and they're heavy. That's right.
Golden raisins are good. I always use these.